Hi everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at our pre-lit Christmas tree. I like it because it's flocked, looks real nice, but this year when we set it up, we noticed a dark section. See, none of the lights are lit there. It's plugged in, but they're not lit. Everywhere else they are lit. So I used a tool called the Lightkeeper Pro. Basically it looks like some sort of science fiction weapon with a trigger. But what it does is you pull out one of the light bulbs, because usually on a pre-lit tree the most common problem isn't a problem with the light bulbs, it's a problem with the shunt, and this repairs the shunts. On the front of this, right there, those two silver things, you take that and attach it, and I'll show you this in a second. We'll do it over on the dark side. You attach it, once you take a bulb out, to the string itself and then pull the trigger, and it sends a little electrical current enough through that it somehow repairs the shunts, and hopefully we'll see that brighten up. So let's go get set up. Alright, right down here you can see one of these bulbs. I'm going to pull that one out, and then the actual bulb receptacle in there is what I'm going to plug into that bottom piece, and you got to make sure it's lined up correctly, and then we'll pull the trigger. Let me go ahead and put it on a tripod so you can watch. Alright, first step, pull that bulb out. There's the old bulb. And here is, let's see if we can zoom in. You see the socket there. Again, that goes right on there. So I'm going to line it up, push it in, and back out so you can see. It's kind of loose. And I'm going to pull the trigger. There we go. So it's all lit now. I'm going to pull it out and put the bulb back in. And you can see that we now have a lit Christmas tree section again. So it took 3 or 4 pulls that time, and the directions say you can pull it up to 30 times. So that's fantastic. Without any other troubleshooting, just hook up the Lightkeeper Pro. This one's for incandescent bulbs. We like those because they're softer. They also make a LED bulb version. If you like this video and you want to learn more about this, I'll stick a link in the description below on where you can get one of these for yourself. But holy cow, is that a time saver. Thanks for watching. Oh wait, the other thing you have to do, obviously you have to keep it plugged in while you're doing this. That's it. Merry Christmas.